Stream from Ticktack Technology. We focus on manufacturing, roadshow truck, and mobile stages. Today, I would like to take you a tour for our roadshow truck SL18. SL18 is an 8.7 meter long truck. It's integrated high-definition LED screen, audio system, a hydraulic folding stage, and generator all in one truck. SL18 is perfect for brand activation, promotion events, activations, election campaigns, and mobile video advertising. Okay, now let's see how it works. Okay, so first we need to start the engine. And then press the clutch and you turn on the power takeoff button. Now we come to the hydraulic power box and you choose remote control. Okay, now we can use the remote control to open the truck. First, you need to lower the 4 hydraulic legs to balance the truck. And then lift up LED screen. Now it's open. SL18 has 5.4 meter by 2.6 meter LED screen. And by 2 sides of the screen, it has 4 high-quality speakers. And here we have 6 meter by 3 meter hydraulic folding stage. And here is our control system. So you have industrial PC, video processor, amplifiers, and industrial monitor. And this side is our generator row. And here you got a big space available that you can do customization. It also comes with an electric canopy on right side, so it can provide sunshade for workers during sun day.